This is the Decibullz Safe and Sound Moldable Bluetooth Earplug Headphone Set. The company sent this to me to check it out, so we're going to open it up and get a closer look. It's typically sealed at the front here. I just opened the seal here so we could open it up really quickly here. Opens up really nice and easy. The packaging from Decibullz is really great. When you have this accessory right here, you are going to need their custom molded earplugs. So you will need a set of these to use this Bluetooth headset here. But all of the Decibullz products, they have some really nice packaging. The custom molded earplugs right here are really nice. You could see these are great products. They're made really nice. And this Bluetooth set, the packaging here is really nice. It's set in here really good. Just shows pull right here. So let's pull it open and see what we get here. So you open it up here. And then you have in the back here the quick start guide. So in the quick start guide, it is in some sealed plastic right here. So it does have the USB-C charger right here. So this is going to get a quick charge. So when you USB-C charges really good, and it's going to get a 15-hour battery life. So once you get a full charge here, it's going to stay charged for 15 hours. So this is a really nice product here. This is the Bluetooth set right here. So you're going to open it up just like this. It comes out nice and easy here. Just comes out really easy. You definitely put it in there so it's nice, safe, and secure. It's got this tangleless neck cord right here, so it's not going to be getting tangled up. And let's get the box out of the way right here. So you can see this is definitely a nice size here. So it's going to go around your neck, and then you're going to have the right here. It's going to go into the earplugs right here. So let's see here. We'll take this part out, and just going to fit in here, just like the other piece fit in here. So it's going to fit in there just like that. And then this side is going to fit the same way. So I'm going to take this piece out here and put this in. So there you go. You're good to go. It's all plugged in now. So we got the wiring right in here. And then you got the controller right here. You got the up and down right here. And you got the power button right here in the middle. So just a really nice set. Again, you're going to get 15-hour battery life out of this. And it is the IPX5 waterproof. It's got the nice tingle-free neckband. And this is just a great solution for shooting, hunting, travel, work, concerts, and much more stuff. So if you're looking for the moldable earplug headphones, this is a really nice add-on to the custom molded earplugs here. It's a really nice set. Decibullz does a really great job of making these items. It is all made in the USA. Really nice equipment here. So definitely want to check this out. Decibullz is a great company, and they make some really strong products here.